welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. So today's video is going to be a thrift slash antique haul. Who would have thought I would ever be saying antique, because I literally never really went to an antique shop like this before. I'm gonna insert clips. I went to this one called Blue Door Antiques. It's in Livermore, California. If you're around, I definitely highly recommend. It literally was like my dream. I want to be in a store, like a bookstore or antique store, with like everything stacked on top of everything, where you feel like you're gonna find treasures. And that's exactly what I got. I went for my 30th birthday. I just turned 30, you guys, so it's like a little trip for me, and I couldn't be more happy. So definitely recommend. I will leave the link down below, so if you are in the area, you can check them out. My dog's clicking, clacking down there, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. But I did go to Savers as well, and I was like, finally I have a really good thrift haul that's YouTube worthy. If you're new here, I actually am more of like romantic, vintage, cottagecore vibe aesthetic, so that's my home decor vibe. So the first thing I picked up was this beautiful little round mirror, or oval mirror, and it's giving very much vintage vibes. I'm obsessed. It was only $2.99, which is an amazing price in my opinion. I just love oval things like this, especially the wood. It's, again, vintage vibes. It definitely just goes with my matches my aesthetic, and I always look for oval mirrors and picture frames, or just like little things like this, because again, it's just like unique. It matches my aesthetic and I love it. You can see all the home decor back there. The back, if you're curious, so it hangs up and it's perfection. I have like another big thing that I purchased from Savers, but let me go into the tiny things. Okay, here is the first little girl I got. She's so cute. I'm obsessed. I know it's very much like baby girlish, and I wish I had a baby girl because I could like have stuff like this. Like, I already know how I would dress her, like super vintage, pink, and just outfits, and oh my god, like it's just would be so amazing. But I wanted her for myself. For like my vanity, I could not like decide if I really wanted to get her, but I'm glad I did, because I feel like I would have regretted not picking her up. But look at how adorable she is. I think it's the colors. I feel like for my vanity, I'm pretty girly, as you can tell. She would just look cute or by my bedside. Oh my god, I don't know, I'm obsessed. A little shelf. I think she's simplistic. I don't like, the thing about me is like, I like things that go together. I don't like everything looking too crazy and knick-knacky, because I have like OCD, so it bothers me. So I feel like she would be good and just simple and cute, you know, give some character to the home. So I picked up this little girl for $3.99. The next thing isn't too crazy, but they had a bunch of these. They were $3.49, which I don't know if that's pricey or not, but I do have one that's really big that I got from my aunt, and it's very weathered, so I'm going to easily weather this up somehow, like wet it. I don't know what I'm going to do to make it weathered, but it was naturally weathered, and I like putting my faux plants in it. I don't know why, but these planters just for the springtime give such a beautiful, calm effect to the home. Like, I really like my home to be like cozy and calm. I don't know how to explain it, and I feel like this, once I weather it up, it'll add that effect with some fake plants of some sort in here. And last but not least, I got this gold humongous like mirrored tray. I'm literally obsessed. I actually do have something just like this, but it's half the size, and I'm obsessed with it. Love it. And I want to add more romantic pieces to my home decor. I'm always looking for things like cherubs, and like I'll post like Pinterest like inspo, but yeah, I'm always trying to find like little golden pieces or brass pieces, even maybe possibly. But this is definitely something I love. It's so romantic and beautiful, and again, like I'll never get rid of my little one, and I found a bigger one that I can use in another space. So wait a second, I just thought of something. What if I lean it up on something like a mirror? That would be so pretty. Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna get into the antique shopping. Oh my god, here it is. Okay, I only got two things. There were so many things, which I'm gonna insert right here, that, I mean, there was more things. I should take pictures, but it was my first time there. It was so quiet. There was these two little ladies there, and they were so sweet. So, you know, the first time you go, you just want to fill things out. I took forever. They probably thought it was crazy just walking around searching for things, but I didn't go to the bank, so I only had like larger bills, and you know, they're small shops, so I knew they couldn't probably break my bills. So I only had so much cash on me, so that's why I had to really decide on what I wanted to get. But also all the things I wanted were like $50, $100, like very like cherubs and stuff like that. I wish I would have took more pictures of things I would have purchased if I literally had money to do so, but I don't need that stuff and I can't afford it right now. So, but I did get two little things. and I love them. Okay, we'll just start it off with a bang. The first one I got, it's so cute. These are things I look for when I thrift. Like I said, gold romantic pieces. Is this picture frame. It's so gorgeous. It's really heavy. Definitely gonna keep forever. It was $10. And as you can see, it has like the little bird with the leaves, and it's just literally so perfect and heavy. Like I said, it was $10. So I think for it being heavy, it was like worth the price. Would I pay this at the thrift store? Maybe. I don't know. This is like a piece I'm gonna keep forever. So $10 isn't a lot for like keeping it forever. So I guess so, but it's so pretty. I'm obsessed, and I wish I could find these things at the thrift store. Okay, guys, and last but not least, these aren't vintage or anything, but I'm really happy I got them. They were only $4, so I got these two keys. Again, I love vintage vibes and everything, so I want to put a string so I can hang them on something, maybe even on this little thing, or wall decor, just like have a wall decor with the mirror, and you know what I mean? Like, it's just so pretty. So I got these for $4, and they're so cool. They're pretty big too. Look at my head. So yeah, they were $4, and they had other ones too, but those were my favorite. Okay, I brewed my fresh cup of coffee. I need a little pick-me-up to get me through the rest of my day because I am a mommy. So I just put oat milk with a dash of cinnamon if you're curious. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see. I'm not going to say anything, but I'm going to bring the vibes. That being said, I hope you guys have a lovely, cozy day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.